Welcome back, guys. We got another FPV crate to unbox today, the 6S one. So let's see what's in it this month. Put it down here. Yeah. Oh, come on. So tight. I don't know why, but I'm really excited about this box. Should I have been? Should I not have been? Okay, thank you note, get away. Red notice, Johnny FPV, okay. Interesting stickers, doesn't tell me anything of what the rest should be. We have some props, HQ Racing props, R35. Interesting, that's a hefty pitch. Wow, huh. Interesting. So I guess this is a Johnny FPV one. 3 sets of props, of course, and the t-shirt, and we have a screwdriver. Interesting. With stuff inside, or yeah, you open it in the back, or should have you pull it out. Oh, now this is cool. Instead of bringing all the different kinds of tools that you need, just bring this one. Not especially tight fit, but it works. So what do we have? Of course, 2.5, 2, 1.5, and 3. That's all you actually need. Cool. This is gonna go in my field bag. Not sure about the quality though. They look kind of, yeah, we'll see. Really cool. All right. Next thing we have here. 45 amp T-motor light, BLS. Okay, and you see, stickers, T-motor stickers. Oh yeah, easy pads to solder on, and the form factor here is pretty interesting. It's not 30 by 30 or the mounts are, but let's see if we can find any more readings in here. Nope. A cap, XT60, cord, gummies, everything we need. Don't forget about the t-shirt. Shovel this away. Bye, make room. Box, goodbye. Sorry about the noise. Oh yeah, Johnny FPV t-shirt. It's not like flashy like the rest of the t-shirts. This isn't flashy either, but it's small print, looks good. Okay, let's use the brain a little bit. We have the ESC, here, shiny nice ESC, 45 amps, BL Heli S. We would like BL Heli 32, but I'll take it. Blue Jay works really good for my kind of use. So that's around, let's say 45. And this little sucker, it's not premium quality, but it's not bad either. This one, let's say 15. Yeah, sounds reasonable. 3 sets of props, that's around 12. T-shirt around 25. So we're ending up at about 90, about what I paid for the crate. So can't complain, but I'm not sure why I was that excited about this. I had a feeling. So my gut is probably wrong. But hey, I'm not complaining about this crate either, because it's stuff and I like stuff and it's exciting to unpack stuff. Either way, t-shirts, you never get enough t-shirts. The ESC, it's gonna be used, of course. I've already used the other one we had, the Johansson. I'm probably butchering the name, sorry about that, but that's on my moon goat over here, and I like it really good. Works perfectly. Opa. So that is what we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I'll see you before the next drop. I want to try and get some packs in this weekend, so maybe we'll do an edit next week. Fly safe, have fun.
More moments later.
One more thing that kind of bugs me now. Every time we get an FC or an ESC, there's never a wiring diagram in the box. Why is that? FPVCrate, if you're watching this, please put it in the box. It's a little small note. I don't even care as long as I have it, because finding something for this, it's a pain in the butt. All right, bye.